So I'm just gonna weigh myself. I'm whispering because this echo is so bad. I'm just gonna put you guys on here. And this is the swimsuit I got, by the way. It's just the swimsuit, so I saw no issue in trying it on. Not gonna turn around because you'll see my butt, but yeah. Also, I've scoured the entire house, can't find my measuring tape. I'll buy one this week and measure myself next week. Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. It's day 5. So as you guys saw, just weighed myself, and I weigh more than when I weighed myself a couple weeks ago. I am quite sad about my body fat though. I got it down to like, I want to say like 27%. I can actually see on my Fit the app. Hold on, let me pull it up. This is my new top from Kmart. I was gonna say Farmers, no, from Kmart, the one I bought last night. It's really cute. You can like see the length. This is a 10, but even the 6 looked really baggy, but it wouldn't have fit my arms. This 10 is actually quite generous. I probably could have fit a 8, but it would have been less oversized. Right, back to the app. You can actually kind of see my progression of weight gain, which is interesting. So I was at my lightest back in, it might not have been my lightest, but I kind of maintained my weight until early June, mid-June, which was like 59-ish kilos, 27.8% body fat. The lowest that I was 27, oh whoa, no. Oh my god, I didn't realize I got that low. I was down in the 25% range. But it's really interesting because like I said, in June I was 59, in July I was 61 for like the whole month, and now I'm 67.2. That's that. I'm not going to dwell on it because A, it's going to make me feel crap, and B, it's not going to change anything, so what's the point of dwelling on it? What's up guys? It's like 8 o'clock I think, something like that, and wow, I just punched the camera, sorry. I'm not feeling too great today. I have like a headache and like this nose is blocked. I think I'm like tired because obviously it's nearly Friday. I had a really big day at work today. We had like, I think I remember if I mentioned this morning, but we had like a trip thing on. I'm like exhausted. I also like went to like 2 different places with like heaps of different trees, so I think I've got really bad hay fever right now. Like my eyes are itchy, my nose is like blocked, and I'm just tired in general. Sorry if I'm low energy. As I told you guys, I'm feeling pretty sick right now, but I still wanted to like add another clip in the vlog. This vlog's probably going to be like 5 minutes long, but I thought better to like add something than add nothing to the vlog, and I don't want to miss a day. So here's your little baby vlog. The main reason why I picked up the camera, what I was getting at, is I had a first today. Haven't had one in a long time, and it was my first bee sting. I know you guys are probably like skeptical that I've never had a bee sting before, but I can tell you, I've never had one. I would remember how much that hurt. I'm like a barefoot child. Well, I was a barefoot child, so the fact that I've never got a bee sting is like beyond me. I was like going to watch my kids play sport, and I was like walking through like a little grassy area and like stepped on, like was wearing my shoes, well, sandals, wasn't shoes, and then I was like, ow, I got a prickle. Like thought like a kind of like a, I assumed it was like a weed with like a prickle in it, because it was like I was wearing shoes, and then I like look, ow, it's like still really sore. I like look down at my foot, like flip my foot over, and I just see this bee like wiggling and like detaching from its butt or a stinger or whatever. And then I was like, I was with like a couple other teachers slash friends from school, and I was like, ah, and I was like, oh my god, I got stung by a bee. And they like kind of looked at me real weird, and I was like, I've never been stung before. I was like, it hurt so bad. I don't think I was being that dramatic, but man, they hurt. Like I've had kids at school stand on bees before, like get bee stings, and like while I am sympathetic, obviously, I couldn't fully sympathize because I didn't know how much it hurt, and it hurt so bad. But it's like, if this was my toe, it's like right in that like knuckle part of my toe. I'll show you the top of my foot. I'm not showing you the bottom because your girl needs like a scrub down, but anyway, pretty sure you can tell which toe was stung, but it's like right behind, right here on my toe. But yeah, my foot's all sore through here, and like although it's like there that I got stung, the pain is like in my joint. I'm guessing like the venom or whatever like traveled down to the joint, and it's like sitting there, but it's like quite sore. Driving home was like painful because it's my driving foot. So yeah, that was my day. Got my first bee sting, which was interesting. Could have gone without that, but at least now I know that I don't have anaphylaxis to bees, because I never knew whether I did or not. It was probably like a good place to have anaphylaxis, because there would have been heaps of EpiPens around. Like if I needed them, there would have been an EpiPen. So yeah, I've just been taking it easy tonight since coming home. I was gonna like cook a nice dinner for Corpo and I, because Hazel's at her Christmas work do tonight. I was gonna do like a, not like a nice dinner, but I was gonna do something cool for dinner. But wasn't really in the mood after the bee sting. It's kind of like, you know, my foot hurts, it's throbbing, it's just painful. And also this headache is like killing me. Plus I just had a big day and I don't even know why I'm making excuses to you guys. I didn't want to make dinner, so I made Corpo some toasted sandwiches, and I had the leftover creamy potatoes from the other night, which were good, pretty damn good. I have admittedly been going to bed quite late, because generally like I like to edit these vlogs before I go to bed, so I edit them at like 9ish. But last night I ended up editing it at like 10, so then I went to bed at like 11:30, and then it took me a while to get to sleep. So I haven't been sleeping that great, which I think is the main reason why I haven't been getting up to go to the gym this week, is because like I just haven't been sleeping enough, so that by the time it's time for me to go to the gym, which is like, I can sleep an extra hour if I don't go to the gym, you know. So it's like, wow, you guys, my brain is so fried. What I was trying to say is I get so much extra sleep if I don't go to the gym in the morning. So I've been like waking up like semi-rested, as opposed to like going to the gym. When my alarm goes to go to the gym, I'm like too dead to get up. Anyway, by the way, if my hair looks crazy, I went swimming today and I decided not to wash my hair so that it would be fresh for the weekend. That might have been a mistake, because I have my work Christmas do tomorrow. I mean, my workmates know what I look like every day, which is this, so don't really need to feel bad about that. But yeah, I'm gonna go edit this vlog. I apologize for like how dead I am right now. Probably should have just not vlogged and just ended the vlog tomorrow or something, but I don't know. I'm dedicated to doing 24 Vlogmas videos this year. Last year I did 12 or 14 I think, which I think was my best yet, so I'm going for 24 this year. So yes, hope you guys have had a really good day so far. I hope you guys are having a good day, whatever time it is. Had a good day, whatever tense, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. As always, I just want to say I really appreciate you guys watching my Vlogmas. You know, I'm really aware that I didn't upload videos for like a million months, consistently for like at least 6 months, and the fact that you guys are still here watching these means the absolute world to me. Don't forget to like the video, because apparently it makes people watch your videos. I have a YouTube conspiracy for another day, a minor YouTube conspiracy. If you guys want to see that, if you want me to hear about it, I'll talk about it tomorrow. But I also have a list of things that I want to show you guys in Vlogmas videos throughout the rest of Vlogmas. I was gonna do one of them tonight, but I'm just dead, so I'll do it tomorrow. I love you guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.